Hi everyone, for today's video I would like to talk about the pump filter that comes with your above ground swimming pool. You're probably watching this video because you can't seem to keep your pool water clean, and you might have seen a lot of complaint from other users saying that the manufacturers have packaged the pool with a pump that is too small for the capacity of the pool, and that most of the users' first action or first advice is to buy a new sand filter pump to keep their pool water clean. I have this pool for 3 years and I still have the original pump, and if you can see right now, the pool water is clear. I almost purchased a new pump as well because I was having issue maintaining my pool water in the beginning of my pool ownership. But then I questioned myself, will the manufacturer purposely put in a pump that is inadequate to keep the pool water clean, jeopardizing customer satisfaction and getting bad reviews and product returns, or is it simply a user error? 3 years ago, I am a first-time pool owner as well, and I have no idea how to maintain a pool. So I did a lot of research, from reading customer reviews to watching videos from regular DIY person like myself and from pool professionals as well. And what I noticed is that most new users confuse the water capacity of the pool to the pump output, thinking that their brand new 2,000-gallon pool will need a pump filter that have a rating of 2,000 GPH, or at least close to it. By the way, GPH means gallon per hour. So that means that a 2,000 gallon per hour pump will turn over 2,000 gallons of water per hour. Now, will a 2,000 GPH filter clean your pool water better than a 500 GPH filter? Definitely, especially if you run the pump on for the same amount of time. However, there are two things that you need to answer in choosing a pump. Okay, the first question is, how long do you have to run the filter? The answer to that is all day, 24/7 if possible, because you want the water to be moving or circulating as much as you can in order to maintain proper balance throughout the pool. At minimum, you want to run it at least 8 to 12 hours a day. In my case, I have the solar heater, so if you look over there, that solar heater will act as reverse at night. So basically, if I run my filter at night, the water actually gets cooler instead of warmer. So I don't want to run my filter when the sun is down because my temperature will drop by a lot. Number two is, how many times does the water need to be turned over? The answer to that is at least 2 times. This means that if you have a 2,000-gallon pool like this one and you need to run your filter for at least 8 hours for proper circulation, then you will need a pump rated at least 500 gallon per hour, because when you run this 500 gallon per hour pump for 8 hours, you will turn over 2,000 gallons of water. So you'll turn this pool water 2 times. In short, you want to multiply your pool water capacity by 2, because you need to turn over the water twice, and then you want to divide it by 8, which is the number of hours you need to run the filter. So for this pool, that is 2,000 times 2 equals 4,000, and then I divide it by 8, so I come up with 500, which is 500 gallon per hour pump. So the perfect spec pump for this pool is actually 500 gallon per hour. The pump filter that came with this is a 530 gallon per hour pump, so that's actually the correct pump for the pool. A 2,000 gallon pump will turn over your water 8 times if you run it for 8 hours, but that will add up in your electricity bill as well. So if you run the pump for 2 hours daily just to get the 2 turnover requirement, then your pool water will remain stagnant for the rest of the day, which is not healthy for your water. Now, after you get that information, I suggest that instead of replacing the pump, you should look more into how to keep your water balanced, because it's easy to keep your water clean if it is properly balanced. If you're interested in how to balance your pool water and what chemical to use to maintain it, I will include my above ground pool playlist at the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to click the like button so that it will trend higher. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, you can do that by clicking the subscribe button. I upload different DIY videos as I work on different projects around the house, So check out the video list on my channel in case you have something that you need to work on, because I may have a video for it already. And thank you for watching.